Female hotel worker perished in a fiery crash in Duncans, Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Montego Bay hotel worker succumbed to injuries in a fiery car crash on Tuesday morning along the Duncans bypass in Trelawny. She has been identified as 27-year-old Kimonette Johnson, who lived in Mount Edgecombs in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, and was employed to the Iberostar Hotel in Montego Bay, St. James. It is reported that Johnson was driving her Honda-Fit motor car towards Falmouth, Trelawny when she lost control of the vehicle and reportedly hit another Honda-Fit, which slammed into an embankment. Her vehicle immediately burst into flames. Passerby tried to assist her from the mangled wreckage. However, the car was already engulfed in flame when they arrived. Passerby also captured the moment of the car burning, which we're about to share with you right now.
I have very sad news. I'm here at Duncans, and a guy was making a U-turn and then hit a lady. A lady hit him head on. Lady hit him, he hit the lady hit him head on, and the lady's in the vehicle right now burning. I don't know how bad he is, but the ambulance took him, and the accident was so bad, the lady is still in the car burning right now. Jesus, please, she's in the car. So the guy was making a U-turn?
Yeah, he spin and I go back.
And I go back where?
And he turn around.
And when him turn around, she came and licked him. Oh my God, man. Jesus. Yeah, I can see the skid mark and everything. Oh my God. That is so sad.
Yes, man.
So sad. So is this one lady in the car? One person in the car? Two people in the car?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Burned to death. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Look at the vehicle burn. Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow, this is horrific. Yeah, there was two people. There was two people in the vehicle. Two people in the vehicle. Wow. Wow. Shit, man. Wow. This is so bad. Two people in the vehicle. And the guy that made the U-turn that started all of this, they took him to the hospital. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, that is horrible. Oh.
It is further reported that Miss Johnson tried to free herself from the burning wreckage. However, the doors were stuck. Miss Johnson burned to death. This was what her mother had to say about the last conversation she had with her daughter.
I've no feeling right now. It's all gone. It's lost. It's taken away from me. I never know this day would come. I just never know. She came here on Sunday and she ate her dinner and that was it. I spoke to her yesterday and she said the car was in the garage and she was taking a taxi. And that was the last conversation we had.
Her mother further stated that on the morning of the accident she texted her daughter. However, she never replied. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.